Hey, welcome back, Bellaras. Are you battling hyperpigmentation or pregnancy melasma? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're making a gentle yet effective DIY face mask that's perfect for reducing pigmentation and giving your skin a natural, radiant glow. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the base of our mask, fresh potato juice. Here's how you do it. You take a medium-sized potato and peel it, then grate it finely and place the grated potato in a clean cloth or sieve. Squeeze out the juice into a bowl and that's it. Your potato juice is ready. Now, let's mix the mask. First, we have 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour. It's great for exfoliation and evening out skin tone. 1 teaspoon of milk powder for its lactic acid, which helps lighten pigmentation. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, which gives the mask a smooth texture and tightens the skin. Now for the wet ingredients, we have 1 teaspoon of yogurt, another powerhouse ingredient for brightening and hydration, and finally 2 teaspoons of potato juice. Mix them together until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Potato juice is a natural skin brightener and helps fade dark spots over time. Gently apply the mask to clean skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. If you haven't scrubbed your face beforehand, let the mask dry completely and roll it off gently. If you have already exfoliated, simply rinse it off with lukewarm water after it dries. Use this mask 3 times a week for the best results. Over time, you'll notice reduced pigmentation and a brighter, more even skin tone. Remember, consistency is key when dealing with hyperpigmentation, especially melasma. If you give this mask a try, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your results. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and remedies. Thanks for watching, Bellaras, and I'll see you next time. Bye!